Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your student email ID. First, understand that obtaining a student email is directly tied to your enrollment at an accredited college or university. Once you are officially admitted, your institution will typically provide initial details, such as an activation key or your student identification number, in your admission letter or a welcome email. This information is crucial for starting the activation process. The next step involves visiting your institution's specific online portal for account activation. You'll usually find a link in your welcome materials. Here, you will input your student identification number and the activation key. After successful verification, you will be prompted to create a secure password. Remember to choose a strong, unique password to protect your new academic account. Once your account is activated, you can typically access your student email through a web browser, often using platforms like Outlook Web App or Gmail. Many institutions also provide instructions for setting up your email on mobile devices, allowing for convenient access on the go. It is very important to check this email regularly, as it is the official channel for all university communications. Beyond communication, your student email often unlocks valuable benefits, such as free access to productivity software like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. This email is your primary link to academic announcements, course updates, and administrative information. If you encounter any difficulties during activation or access, do not hesitate to contact your university's IT help desk for prompt assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.